Hello everyone, welcome to Moments with Lorraine.
Okay, straight out the gate is Vaseline Lip Therapy with petroleum jelly. If you are a matte lipstick wearer, put this on your lips first. You will be surprised about the results the next day. Because usually when I wear a matte lipstick, the next day my lips are so dry and they are peeling, and I find myself like biting off, dry pieces of skin because the matte lipstick has dried out my lips so badly. So put this on before you put on your matte lipstick. You will notice a big difference and you will thank me later. Look what I found, some Freeman Smoothing Jojoba Hair Mask. You know, when your hair is looking kind of funny and it needs some conditioning, put on a mask. And it says 3 to 5 minutes and 1 to 2 times a week. And you know what? You don't have to use the whole thing. Just use half. You can just use the half, that's it. And it's only $1.25, not bad for a hair mask that you could probably use once or half and get 2 uses out of it. Or should we call it the $1.25 tree? What is the new name since the prices went up? Is it the $1.25 tree? Next up is some oral analgesic gel for your gums. You ever have gum pain? I don't. And I don't know why I picked this up. It was just an impulse buy. I was walking by and said, you know what? I might need that one day. So I put it in my basket. But anyway, here it is. Oral analgesic gel, because you never know when you might need this. On those days when it's all about you, when you're not going anywhere and you're just going to stay home and pamper yourself and just give yourself a spa day, here is some green tea facial cleanser, and this one is charcoal activated mask. Look at that. This will make you feel so good. And I can't wait to try this one too. I also found this bubble hyaluronic acid face mask treatment. And people get scared about the word acid being in it and putting it on their face because they think it's gonna burn, but it doesn't. And I've used hyaluronic acid, and I have a little pump of cream with hyaluronic acid in it, and I really like how it makes my face feel. And what the hyaluronic acid will do, say that again, will help to plump the skin and help to get rid of, the fine lines and wrinkles, and keep using that and you will see a difference. So I can't wait to use this and see how it works, and see her with the mask on right here. So I'm gonna try this and I'm excited to use this. And I might have to report back on this and let you all know how it worked and how it feels. So tune in to another video. I might do another beauty video and give updates on items I have bought from the Dollar Tree, and let you all know whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And I bought some more face wipes, and this is papaya and olive fruit oil. You can never have enough face wipes, never. Because you have to use them twice a day. Some people use them 3 times a day, or just when you want to freshen up. So first thing in the morning, and in the middle of the day, and at night. I wonder how these smell. I'm curious. I should open them, see how they smell. Hold on. Because the other ones I bought, the oatmeal ones I bought last time, I wasn't too crazy about it. This one smells good. Yeah, this one smells way better than the oatmeal one I bought. The oatmeal one smelled like, I can't even tell you. While we're on the subject of beauty, here is some tea tree oil and salicylic acid balancing face wash. I have never seen this before. This is interesting. I can't wait to use this one either. So I am definitely Gonna bust this open and use it sometime really soon. Interesting. Also found some Aquarelle antibacterial wet wipes, and these are great to have in your purse or in the car. You know, especially now with the COVID era we live in. These are great. Always keep some of these in your car, and you can always wipe down the steering wheel or wipe your hands when you get out the grocery store, you know, because after touching the shopping cart and then touching all the items on the shelves, your hands do get kind of dirty. So these are nice to keep in the car. Yay! I also found these sponges. I bought 2 of them, and I think the other one was used by one of my grandkids this weekend, so one is missing in action. I think it's a blue one that I bought. And you can never have enough of these. Be sure to change these out often. There's no excuse for you to be using the same sponge for a year. None. They're only $1. Change them out often. If the budget doesn't allow them, put them in one of those, the bags where you put your delicates in, like your brassieres. You know, one of those bags I'm talking about, the little laundry bag that you can wash. Then put it inside of there and wash it. That way you stop the chance of the washing machine maybe tearing this apart. I don't know. But, you know, change this out or wash it. Only $1. No excuse. I also found these cute socks. Look at these, $1.25 each. That's it. And I found these before Valentine's Day, when they were putting out all the Valentine stuff. And this one says, "Somebody loves you." How cute. And this one says, "I love you s'mores." Too cute. I'm gonna have to hide these from my daughter, because when she comes over, she raids my sock drawer. And that's not gonna happen this time. So I'm gonna hide these. But these are too cute. If you love your socks, you know somebody that loves socks, you're getting ready to make a Easter basket, they have some cute socks that you can put in someone's Easter basket, like the grandkids or the kids. Great idea. Yay. So I think that's it for all the self-care beauty products. Yep, that's it. I found some chocolate chip cookie mix, and this is not bad for $1. I mean, they look delicious, and all you need is 1 tablespoon, 2 inches apart on a cookie sheet is what it says. So I had to buy these. I think the grandkids will love this when they come over, and they can help me make them. Look at these. And you know what? And the bag has a good weight behind it. And it says a serving of 6. Not bad. Not bad at all. And of course, don't forget your gum or your candy when you are at the Dollar Tree. And I got these at the cash register, and I think there were 4 or 5 packs in a packet. And of course, 2 are missing, like you can see. And very cheap to get your gum, your snacks, your drinks, even frozen food at the Dollar Tree. So jump on that. Don't walk out without your snacks. It is now time to get into the DIY of this video. Look what I found. Rings. I'm gonna be making a door wreath, but I need 4 of them for my door wreath. And this is gonna be in a DIY that I will film and bring to you all. So I was so glad to find these, and these are the perfect size. Yay! And I have some decorative nautical rope, and this will be for another DIY that I'm going to be doing. Just trying to get the house ready for spring, and you know, the Dollar Tree is the best place to go and find all your items to get your springtime projects started. So nautical rope, and there's 9.5 feet on each one of these. Not bad. I also have these stickers, and these are so pretty. I just love how they look. And also I found some brushes. Yeah, for all my projects that I work on. And I found these Crafter Square, some more Crafter Square brushes. And I have some sponge brushes. Can never have enough sponge brushes when you are doing DIYs. I love how these spread Mod Podge and paint and any other kind of glue that you might be working with. I also have this contact paper, and I bought it in the gray and white, and this is going to be for another DIY that I'm working on. And I don't have a Cricut, but I've been hinting around to family members that I want a Cricut. But I still went ahead and bought the paper that is for the Cricut because I love this color. Can you see it? There's like a shiny black and a shiny silver. And I'm going to use these for a DIY, and I will just cut out the shapes that I need to complete the DIY. So if you see these in the Dollar Tree, do not pass them up, whether you have a Cricut or not. Get some. I also found these burlap ribbons, and there are 9 feet of burlap ribbon on one roll for $1.25. That is not bad. And this is going to be for a DIY that I'm going to be doing, possibly for the wreaths that I'm going to make, but we will see. But yeah, jump on this. 9 feet on one roll for $1.25. Great deal. I found this color also in the burlap ribbon, and these are 9 feet also. Look at that color, so pretty compared to the other color that I just showed you. And these are going to be great for my door wreaths. My project that I'm going to be working on is going to be fantastic. For all us hot glue gun connoisseurs, here are finger protectors. These are a lifesaver. Have you ever been using your glue gun and just burnt the mess out of your fingers? Well, here is the answer. Right here, and 3 for $1.25. Get them. I also found these cutest little clothespins, and it's 24 in here for $1.25, so not bad. They are cute. They are tiny little clothespins, and I'm going to be using these for a DIY that I'll be making pretty soon, and I will put it here on my channel so you can see what I made. But these are too cute. I remember us growing up as young girls, and my aunt or my mother would wash clothes, you know, or sheets with their hands, and we'd be out there hanging up the clothes, and there's a certain way that you hang the underwear in between the sheets. You remember those days? Remember the good old days? Those were the days, my friend. And I found these light bulbs. Oh my God. These would make a great addition to a DIY, or as the spring is coming and you want to sit outside on your patio, you could string these up and do a great DIY with these, or make a lantern and hang these in the middle of the lantern that you make. And I bought 2 silver, but one is missing. I don't know where it's at right now. And I bought 2 gold. And I'm gonna go back and get some more. But you know what? Let's see if they work. They've got this little tab right here. Let's pull that out. And let's, look at that. That is so pretty. And this is gonna work great with a DIY that I have planned. Love, love, love. So if you see these, grab them, because you don't see them very often in the Dollar Tree, and when they are there, they don't last long. So when you see them, grab them. And I found some lint rollers, 2 for the price of 1. Look at that. And everything at my Dollar Tree now is $1.25. So if earlier I said something was $1, that was a mistake. They are $1.25. The prices have changed. But look at that. And last but not least, look what I found. I found some super soft microfiber cloths for my husband to use on his truck. But he said he had enough and he didn't need these. So I am going to use these as hand towels or dish towels. They are so soft. They are softer than the towels they sell over in the in the kitchen section. These are absolutely, oh my gosh, they're so plush and soft. So I'm gonna wash these and then use them for the dishes. Okay everyone, so that's it for this Dollar Tree haul. We covered beauty, baking, and DIYs. If you like what you've seen, please leave a comment below, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I will be back with another video soon. But until next time, you all take care and stay safe. Bye.